Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. Everyone should know these English phrases. Could you please tell me where I can find the nearest supermarket? I would like to order a cup of coffee with milk, please. Excuse me, do you know how to get to the city center? I am looking for a pharmacy because I need to buy some medicine. Can you please speak a little slower? I am still learning English. I would love to go out for dinner with you this weekend. I am sorry for being late. The traffic was really terrible today. How much does it cost to take a taxi to the airport? I really enjoyed spending time with you. We should do this again. Could you please help me carry these bags? They are quite heavy. I need to buy some groceries. Do you want to come with me? I am feeling a bit tired today. I think I will stay at home. Let us meet at the coffee shop near the station around 3 o'clock. I think it is going to rain. You should probably take an umbrella. I will give you a call when I finish work this evening. It is nice to see you again. How have you been doing? Do you want to grab some lunch together after the meeting? I am trying to save some money for my next vacation trip. The weather is so beautiful today, we should go for a walk. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby that is not too expensive? I am going to the gym later. Would you like to join me? I forgot my phone at home. Can I borrow yours for a moment? Do you know if there is a bus going to the city center? I usually wake up early because I like to start my day calmly. I am cooking dinner tonight. Would you like to come and join? I really need a break. I have been working all day long. I love listening to music while I am cleaning the house. Could you please open the window? It is getting quite warm here. I am meeting my friends later. Do you want to come along? I think we should leave now if we want to catch the train. I need to go to the bank to pay some bills today. I am really looking forward to the concert this weekend. I am not sure what to wear. The weather keeps changing. Could you please take a picture of us with this background? I think we should go shopping tomorrow morning before it gets busy. I am planning to visit my parents next weekend for a few days. It is always nice to have a cup of tea in the evening. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. I do not feel like cooking tonight. Let us order some food. I need to finish this project before I can relax and rest. I always try to be on time because I respect other people's time. Can you please turn down the music? It is a bit too loud. I am going to take a short walk to clear my mind. I need to charge my phone. The battery is almost dead. Do you know where I can buy a good cup of coffee around here? I am happy to help you with that. Just tell me what to do. I was thinking we could watch a movie together tonight. I always try to eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. I am waiting for my friend. She should be here any minute. I think you should take a short break and get some fresh air. I am really happy to see you. It has been such a long time. Could you please remind me to call my mother later today? I am going to bed early tonight because I have to wake up early. I usually take the bus to work because it is more convenient. I need to clean my room. It is getting really messy again. I love going for a walk in the park after dinner. I am thinking about buying a new phone next month. I do not know what to cook today. Maybe some pasta or soup? I usually read a few pages of a book before I go to sleep. I need to go shopping for some clothes before the weather changes. I always keep a bottle of water with me during the day. Could you please turn on the lights? It is getting dark. I am going to visit my friend who just moved to a new house. I love spending weekends with my family, watching movies together. I am planning to clean the kitchen and do some laundry today. I think we need to buy more bread and milk for tomorrow. I usually take a shower in the morning before going to work. I always check the weather forecast before planning my weekend. I am going to the post office to send a package to my friend. I am really thankful for your help. I could not do it alone. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with joy and positivity. I will stop by the supermarket after work to buy some vegetables. I am thinking about taking a short trip to the mountains next weekend. I need to remember to water the plants before I leave the house. I like to spend Sunday mornings drinking coffee and reading the news. I am going to call my friend to see how she is doing today. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.